First thing is, there is four stages of when we have to break some bad habit. First we realize that we are getting habituated. We may not realize it, but habit loops are getting formed in our mind body system. That's why you're saying that a lot of time gets wasted, because habit is getting formed. Habit of spending time on social media, on YouTube, is getting formed. And as I said, we are getting rewards in the form of dopamine, some feel good factor. And mind will also cheat in the name of spirituality. I'm watching spiritual content only. So first we become aware. So first, the bottom stage of this ladder is unconscious incompetence. We are not even conscious of it, and we are incompetent. There are blind spots. We don't even know. We don't know that we don't know. So that's the very degraded stage. Unconscious incompetent. You're incompetent and you're unconscious of it. The next stage is a better stage is, or a progressive stage is, conscious incompetence. Now, the very fact that you're asking this question, it means that it is conscious incompetence. You're conscious that you're spending a lot of time. You're conscious that time is getting wasted, but you're incompetent to avoid it. You're feeling helpless. You don't know what is the best way. You don't know how to stop doing it. You know that I go for some time, but end up consuming a lot of so-called spiritual content in social media, on YouTube or whatever these kind of tools. So the second stage is called conscious incompetence. You have become conscious of your incompetence, conscious of your degraded habits. And the third stage is, now this is a stage, the third stage is, improved stage is conscious competence, where you budget your time. You put some rules and regulations. You say that only in the evening I'll be browsing, only for 1 hour I'll be browsing. That's called conscious competence. You are just like, for example, when we learn driving a bike or a scooter, first it is unconscious incompetence, and then we become conscious incompetence. We know that we don't know the bike, and then conscious competence when we are riding the bike, but we are very conscious of the clutch, very conscious of accelerator, very conscious of brake. And a stage comes where we are unconscious competent, in the sense you may be talking to someone, you may be listening something on your, through the earphones, but you are still driving it. So likewise, we realize that now the very fact that you have asked this question shows that you are right now conscious incompetence. You've realized your incompetence, that yes, you're spending a lot of time, and a lot of time is getting wasted. And this is one step towards finding a solution. The next step would be take help of the devotees, spend more time in chanting, spend more time reading Prabhupada's books, not on social media, otherwise. Develop a higher taste. Many times we spend a lot of time in this platform because it also has some kind of taste. When we are not experiencing higher taste, we'll go for lower taste. We all are looking for taste. We all are looking for some pleasure. If we are not getting pleasure from a higher source, we'll look for lower pleasure. If a person is hungry and he has not eaten for days, then he will eat anything which is given to him. Even a stale chapati, if it's given, he will eat. Whereas if a person is fully fed, there's no hunger, you give him some nice eatables also, he'll say, nahi, nahi, bas, mujhe nahi khana. So we have to keep ourselves spiritually strong through good association, through good chanting, good quality chanting, through regular reading of Prabhupada books, through regular association with right devotees, sincere devotees, enthusiastic devotees. And once we experience that higher taste, automatically our taste, our inclination to spend inordinate amount of time on social media will reduce. So initially, since the habits are getting formed, we have to be more conscious of it. Conscious competence. You should be conscious of the time you are spending. You should make some rules. After 8 o'clock in the night, I will not watch. And then a time will come when you would have trained your mind in such a way that you will use as much as is required. Anyada yavat arthakrit. Go for a while, just check few things and then come out.